What's your experience with the evolution of AI, 20 years ago versus now? Like, what's happened in that space?
So, look, the way I see the evolution of AI is if I bring in scope analytics. So, for the most part, Excel was really the infancy of being able to be novel about the way we represent data and use data to help us make better decisions, right?
Excel still blows people's minds sometimes.
And look, I mean, it's going to probably continue to with the way Microsoft's trying to use AI, generative AI, as part of, its development of the Office suite. So, that I see that element of the really light aspects of machine learning was something that we had but didn't necessarily know about, because let's face it, it was in, dark corners of, universities that were using neural networks to, evaluate decisions and do very basic taskings like play chess, right? And DeepMind, obviously, which, showed that it can beat a grandmaster at Go. I mean, fundamentally, that's where it's been for the most part. And we've used that experience to help teach us about the capabilities of AI as people in the research academia look at ways of really beating the Turing test, right? And fundamentally allowing, artificial intelligence to fool a human being from thinking whether it's a computer or a human.